are here in Bingley, which is the start really of the Yorkshire Dales, not too far away. We've just installed this Grande Wellis swimline tub. Bit of a tricky install. We had to have a lot of preparation on this with the customer to prepare the land, plan out the crane lift over the house, work together with them to make sure that not just the product but the whole package came together, and we managed to pull it together today. So just to tell you a little bit of background about this particular project and install, the customer's replacing an old indoor swimming pool which is 20 years old, expensive running costs, had various quotations to replace the pool and update everything, but coming in at ludicrous amounts of money. So they opted for the best of both worlds, which is the Danube W flow end to the Rio Grande, which is a 14-foot pool with the amazing combination of having a hot tub at the other end, which is essentially the Malaga from the City Line range by Wellis. The beauty about this spa is that you can keep both tubs running at the same time but independently. So for your exercise at one end, we can keep it at 30 degrees. The hot tub can bubble away at 40 degrees for the relaxation. So it really is the best of both worlds. All the spas are fully loaded, so you've got the touchscreen control, the Wi-Fi, the waterfalls, fountains, LED lights, Bluetooth music. Everything is fully loaded. From the point of view of getting this spa into the hole, as you can see from the crane, it was a bit of a tricky one, not from the weight point of view, but from how the land lied. Altida Cranes did an amazing job as usual. We're now on the ground, the hose pipe's in, everything's wired, and we'll be back tomorrow once it's filled to commission the spa and go through the chemicals with all the customer, and on to the next project.